Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 Pontiac G6. Stock number is A6249A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. Taking a look at the tread on the tires. Then inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, audio controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this G6 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.